Every face tells a story. Who's behind and what's their glory? Your skin is unique, just like you. Face mapping tells us what to do. No harmful chemicals or natural effect. Potent ingredients blended perfect. Science plus nature results for all. At Dermalogica, skin, we treat it all. Take breakups and breakouts in your stride. Our treatments are firm, but oh so mild. Why wear your wisdom on your face? Don't let fine lines win that race. Pigmentation shouldn't color your soul. Be a glow-getter with Pro Skin Control. Your eyes work hard to see and more. Those naughty dark circles shouldn't tell the score. No redness or sunburn, dryness or sting. Even sensitive skin deserves to sing. A dull face shouldn't, gentle and kind. No spot too tough, no wrinkle too small. At Dermalogica, skin, we treat it all. Science plus nature, results for all. At Dermalogica, skin, we treat it all.